सिखाऊं क्या? और सबको मैं सिखाऊं क्या?
We will start with the prize distribution sometime, and we are going to have Jitendra, Kunal Kapoor, and many more celebrities. I'll keep giving you the names in a bit, so please do stay back and enjoy yourselves.
I'm Atul Parekh, Organizing Secretary of Jew Half Marathon and founder member of Get Fit Through Sports Foundation.
सर बताइए टेल अस अ लिटिल अबाउट टुडेज मैराथन कैसे लग रहा है और हमने ये क्यों ऑर्गेनाइज किया?
ऐसा था हम लोग हमारे ग्रुप में जो गेट फिट में सारे लोग रनर्स है और सब जू बीच में प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। जू बीच में देखा हमने करीब 800 से 1000 लोग दौड़ने की प्रैक्टिस करते, लेकिन हमारा लोकल कोई इवेंट नहीं था, तो इसलिए हमने सोचा कि चलो जू में एक लोकल इवेंट करते, तो बोलकर हमने जू हाफ मैराथन अरेंज किया हुआ है और हमको बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस मिला। फर्स्ट टाइम हमारा अटेम्प्ट है, 3500 से ज़्यादा लोग आए हैं। उसमें सबसे बड़ी बात है कि सबसे ज़्यादा लोग 21 किलोमीटर 10 किलोमीटर की कॉम्पिटिटिव रेस दौड़ने आए हुए हैं।
और आउटरीच को अगर सुबह रेस होता है और इतने सारे लोग आते हैं तो क्या फीलिंग है आपकी?
बहुत आत्मा संतोष होता है कि हमने मेहनत किया, उसका नतीजा है। लोग आज सुबह में 4:30 पौने 5 बजे से आके यहाँ पे क्यू कर दिए थे, बहुत अच्छा लगता था हमको।
So what next आपसे और क्या उम्मीद कर सकते हैं, मतलब इन टर्म्स ऑफ फिटनेस?
हाँ, ये हमारा गेट फिट फाउंडेशन का मोटो ये है कि हम लोग लोगों को बोलना चाहते हैं कि आप थ्रू स्पोर्ट्स आप फिटनेस अचीव कर सकते। ऐसा नहीं कि आपको जिम में जाना जरूरी है, डाइटिंग करना जरूरी है कि न्यूट्रिशन के बाद आप कोई भी एक स्पोर्ट्स उठा लो और आप फिट रहो। दैट इज़ आवर मोटो। और हम लोग प्लान कर रहे हैं कि यही साल में एक नाइट रन भी करने वाले हैं और ये हमारा हाफ मैराथन है, एवरी ईयरली फीचर रहेगा।
थैंक यू सो मच
थैंक यू
सर।
I am the chairman of organizing committee of Jew Half Marathon, which has happened for the first time in Jew at such a large scale. And the scale becomes big only when the participants are happy. So we have got over 3,500 participants, and everybody finished with a smile. That's a great sign. And everybody enjoyed it, and the enthusiasm you can see around is so good. And people are asking, when are you going to have the next event? So this is what I think is a great achievement by all the helpers, well-wishers, sponsors, runners, and everybody else.
Sir, what is next?
Next, we are definitely, we have announced for the next year. The next year Jew Half Marathon will be on February 18, 2018. But before that, we will also plan some other runs. So after the monsoon, we will probably have other runs. We are planning it. Okay, one more thing. See, this is the Jew Half Marathon is done by Get Fit for Sports Foundation in association with jointly with Rotary Club of Bombay Airport. Now, Get Fit for Sports Foundation, as the name means it, you know, when you talk of fitness, people think of only gym and dieting. But we are saying that you can be fit by taking up to any sports. So running is a good sport. You take up to running, train yourself well, participate, and you will be fit.
We had 3,600 runners today. This is the first inaugural Jew Half Marathon. आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे लोग?
की बीमारी आम है, तो मैं आप लोगों को बोर नहीं करूंगा। मैं इतना ही कहूंगा, इन लोगों का डॉक्टर साहब, ये मैं नहीं तो आज सुरदास होता अगर ये नहीं होते। इन्होंने मेरी आंखों का इलाज किया है। तो ये और जो हमारे गोसालकर जो हमारे यहाँ के चीफ इंस्पेक्टर हैं, वो इतने सज्जन लोग हैं। ये लोग ये जब भी किसी काम के लिए बुलाते हैं, और अब ये काम तो इतना अच्छा काम है कि इट इज लुकिंग आफ्टर द हेल्थ नॉट ओनली ऑफ आईज बट द होल बॉडी। एंड आई एम सो थ्रिल्ड टू सी सच ए ह्यूज पार्टिसिपेशन and people are being so enthusiastic about their health and they participate in events like this. And my congratulations to people like this who are organizing such events and for the benefit of the society and everybody. Keep it up. This is what will keep you healthy and will keep you fit. Thank you.
Only love yourself if you look after yourself. And you can only look after yourself if you do all these activities. That's my advice to you.
And he's a live example of that. Yes. He's the most fit person. You can never make out what he can do. He still works out regularly, and he's an absolute icon for fitness. Thank you for being with us, sir.
Okay, so we are waiting for the list, the list of the winners, and I think the only thing I would like to say is that why I underlined the area Juhu is because this is Juhu Half Marathon, and marathons get known by the place that they originate from. So there is Boston Marathon, London Marathon, Mumbai Marathon, and now we have a Juhu Marathon. But people come from all over the world. We have 36 international runners this year, in addition to people coming from all over India. People have come from Allahabad, from Nasik, from Pune, Calcutta, all over India people have come and participated. But the marathon always gets known by the area that it originates from. Yes, some people have come from Juhu as well. So, Warsaw as well, yes, thank you. And there is a huge contingent of very committed runners. We'll soon have the list of winners for the day. These things take time because the list needs to be kind of confirmed and reconfirmed.
The mayor is here. The mayor is here.
Yeah.
Mayor is here.
Okay, the mayor of Mumbai, deputy mayor is here. Ma'am, कुछ कहना चाहेंगी आप हमारे enthusiastic participants को?
It is a lovely morning, and we have got lovely participants, about 3,000 in number. The organizers, I really congratulate them for having organized this lovely event. आजकल हम देखते हैं कि हर कोई भागता है in the rat race. We are running mentally, but physically we are down in the dumps. And therefore events like this will really keep us healthy. They generally say healthy mind and a healthy body. So congratulations to all the participants, and may we all remain healthy ever and build up a healthy nation. Thank you.
Okay, Kunal is coming.
Yes, ma'am. Health is wealth indeed. And Kunal Kapoor, may I request you to come on stage, Kunal? Kunal Kapoor. So how was this experience for you? You came in the morning, flagged off the race, and now you're back. You didn't run yourself.
No, I don't think I can run so much anyway. But congratulations to everybody that participated. Congratulations to the organizers. I think it's been absolutely amazing, and so amazing. Early in the morning, 5:30, there were almost 4,000 people here running. And it's just the most amazing sight to see. So congratulations to everybody that participated, and I'm really happy to be part of this.
Thank you, Kunal.
Thank you so much. So we'll start the next.
Yeah, we'll start.
With Jituji and Kunal.
Yeah, and I think we'll do that in the end.
Go.
Do that in the end.
Hello.
This is a qualifier for ACM and the other.
Can I say something?
75.
सर हम थोड़ा पीछे जाएंगे तो विजुअल मिलेगा तो बहुत क्लोज आएंगे थोड़ा पीछे जाएंगे
I think I request everyone to move back a little.
Please come back.
Doctor, please move back. 9 kilometers.
वाइड करा के नक्की कर दो बाद में कुछ
मैं बोला वो लोग वो बोल रहे नहीं बाद में कर रहा
Can you go a little behind? You'll be able to see. Please, I'm really sorry. I can't do much.
थोड़ा पीछे जाओ.
उनको करने दीजिए ना आ गया हाँ let's start.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, the Juhu inaugural Juhu Half Marathon, presented by Roman Vision. That's a group which is involved in township building as well as green solutions, environmentally friendly solutions. Blue Sports Foundation as well as Rotary Club of Bombay Airport. This has the approval of Mumbai Suburban District Athletic Association, which means the timings here are actually going to be valid for all marathons all over to participate in. The event is managed by.
There is no problem anywhere.
I'll hand over to Sanjay for announcement.
हम लोग छोड़ देना.
We'll start from 15 to under 19 in 10 kilometer female.
You ready for the winners? Okay. So in the category 19 to 29, sorry, 15 to 19, number 3, Swati Singh, bid number 4003. Number 2, Sangeeta Patel, bid number 4007. And first is Aishwarya Mishra, 4027. The time taken is 43 minutes 56 seconds for the winner for 10 kilometers. Yes, Aishwarya.
She is getting prize of 15,000. That's a cash prize, and 1,000 worth of sports goods. Second, Sangeeta Patel.
Excuse me, ma'am, they won't be able to get the visuals. नहीं उठेंगे थोड़ा पीछे जाना.
Second prize 10,000.
थोड़ा साइड में करके थोड़ा सा तो बाकी सब तेज जाएंगे, इनको उतरना पड़ेगा.
Swati Shinde, Swati Singh.
Not here? Okay, Swati doesn't seem to be here. We'll start with the next category. Thank you. Sorry? Thank you. Next category is, it's about, it's quite a lot actually, almost 16 minutes, 17 minutes gap. First to second the gap is 5 minutes and first to third the difference is 17 minutes.
भाई तू थोड़ा आगे आगे गिर मत जा पीछे.
Female 20 to 29. Vandana Rao, number 3. Is she here, Vandana? Vandana Rao, bib number 5515. Number 2, Sonia Mokal, bib number 5542. She. And Sonia Mokal, silver. Second prize, please.
इनको थोड़ा पीछे करो, थोड़ा इनको पीछे साइड से कितना मिलेगा.